Hey guys, let's talk about this screwdriver tool set that I got from Amazon. It comes in this beautiful box with magnetic bits in multiple combinations, so you can use everywhere. I was testing here with a door lock, so I had some screws there that I have to tighten them up, and it works pretty fine. I just need to select the correct bit here and start using there, right? And I also tested with my light switch plate. I just got the correct bit here and also use it there, and it works pretty fine, okay? Some furnitures arrive at home as well, so I can use this one, and it's pretty easy to use and it's pretty useful, right? Let me just open this up so you see what's inside. There we go, it comes in this beautiful box. So I just remove this, and here you see a user manual. There we go. We have all the information that you need here. And then here, let me just open this box. You see there are some magnets to hold this cover in place, so super easy to open and close it. And here you have all the tools, okay? Starting with this one, super easy to use, super nice. So you can just do this movement, all right? Or you can just switch here and do the opposite movement. So you can release screws or can tighten up. Super easy to just change here. And you see that you can have different combinations. Let me just grab this one, for example, an H5. You see everything comes with the marks. So super easy to check. There we go, H5 here. I just put it here and start using it. Then I can grab a different one here. Let's say this one, P22. Everything with the marks. There we go. It's a PZ2, right? There we go. You just put it here and you're good to go. Let's say you want to use it in a different way. You can just remove this from here, that way, and then you can put it here. You see it? Then you can use this way with some torque here because I have this long tool. If it's too long, you have like a space that does not allow to use a long tool, you can just remove this one and use it as a small tool and grab this one. Look how nice it is. Put it here so you can protect your hand and you can use it this way. And then I want to just put it here to use that way and just replace this one, let's say, with one of this here that I have. A lot of them, you see here, they have different colors. This one, for example, it's a purple one. Then you have a red one here. So it's easier to identify like this by color and by their shape. And you have the orange one. Pretty nice to use. Has a lot of different combinations. Look at this one, for example. Again, has the marks. There we go, U6. So super, super good. Let me just grab this one, for example. Here, if I'm using this, let's say that way. And I can just use a magnet here as well, put it here. So I can just grab those screws and put them here, right? So they don't fall. Let me see if it works with this one. See, it works as well. Let's say I'm using this one here, for example. And I can have this one to use it later if I want to. Just remove this from here. Work that way to make it bigger. And I can just remove this if I want to as well and use that way. See? So super nice. I was testing this with different tools here with my furniture and everything else, and it works super great. And just be careful to not lose the stuff here because they're pretty nice. You just need to bring them back to their location so you don't lose them, right? So as long as you put everything back into place, you're good to go. Right? Super nice. Let me just approach here so you see that I have a lot of them. Nicely placed here with different colors. You see here. And more here. This one with colors. No, this one doesn't have colors. Right? But this side have all of them with colors. But you see the shapes? A lot of them. Okay, super easy to use. Let me just test this one with the computer so you see how it works. Okay, one more example on how to use this set of tools now with the computer. So I can just grab this main part here and I can just choose one of these. Let's say this one. I just snap here into place. It's magnetic, you see how easy it is. Then I just put it here that way, and I can choose if I tighten it up, I can just leave in this position, or if I want to release it, I just change here. You see it? Switch here to a different position, then I start releasing it. I can use both hands like this, or I can use one hand. Super simple. Let's say this part here is hitting the surface here. I can just remove this. See? Makes it easier to work. Or I can remove both of them, just like so. One more time, I can just invert here. There we go. Now tighten it up, pretty tight. Let me just put here so I have more torque, so I can really tighten it up. There we go. Super easy to use, right? Let's say I want to use it in a different way. Let me just remove this from here. There we go. Then I can grab this one, for example, and put it here. That way, so I can use this way. Okay. And then I can just use my hand to do it. So super nice, super easy to use. Let's say I want to have something even different here. There we go. Then I have more leverage here, more torque, right? I can use my hand if I want to. So it's pretty tight here, but I can do it, right? There we go. Use it that way. Tighten it up. So super simple, right? Again, I just want to disassemble everything here. I can. And let's say I want to put back everything in place here. See, pretty fast. I can do this, this, and this, and I'm good to go again this way, right? Again, one more time, that way. Tighten it up, and I'm good to go. When I finish, I just remove this part, put back here, put this into place, and this one here, and I'm done. I just grab the cover, put it here. Is a magnetic one. I'll just put that way so you see the beautiful logo, right? And I'm done. So super, super simple, okay? Okay guys, I have a new situation here with my tripod. I want to tighten this up. So let's just use the set of two. I'm come here and bring this main part. And I can just use this one if I want to. Let me just remove from here and try using this one. Okay. I see here that's H5. So I'm gonna use this one and this one just to protect my hand here. Let me try it. So when I come here, I see it's not gonna fit here. Let me just come back and choose another one. So I just bring this back to hit its location so I don't lose it. And let me try this one here. I'll see this H5 as well. It's not gonna fit there. Then I try this one. There we go. You see you have all the marks, so you can't just pick the right one. I'm just put it here. That way I can make it longer if I want to, like this. You see? Pretty easy, pretty interesting. Now it's longer. And I can just come here and I'm gonna use that way. There we go. So super simple. I can tighten this up. If it's not enough, I can just change this. Let me just remove this one. Back here, I can put this back into place. Put this that way and put this one just like so. Back there, I can use this H4. You see here, I just need to change here. And I'm good to go. I can tighten this up. See here? I can use both hands if I want to. And it's pretty tight now. Super, super good. Okay guys, back here, as you can see, this set of two is pretty easy to use. It's also pretty nice. You can just give someone this as a gift and it works pretty fine, okay? So I hope that helps and you can get this on Amazon. And if you like this video, please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.